This is a second generation VW Tiguan, and this is the trunk lid, which you can't open. All you need is this kind of a screwdriver. You open the door, fold down the rear seats, and climb into the trunk. After you climbed into the trunk, you open this, whatever it is, and there you can see the trunk lid emergency opening mechanism. In this case, you take your screwdriver, you put it into the hole, and you just pull it to the side. And that's it. This problem is usually caused by the faulty trunk lock, but rarely the outer opening microswitch can break as well.